Alright, I wanted to show you a quick craft for today, a quick Christmas craft. And these are these darling little mice, and you can put the candy cane through them and hang them on your tree. They're cute little ornaments. Your kids can help you make them. They don't take long to make, so all you need is a candy cane, 2 wiggly eyes, a pom-pom for the nose, the pattern for the body, the ears, and then the inner ears, felt, hot glue, an X-Acto knife, and some scissors. And if you have these, just match your felt to whatever kind of candy canes that you have. My husband loves these candy canes. I love these, so we're gonna go with the classic. But just remember, you can get felt in fun colors and do it, match your mouse to your candy cane. So the first thing we're gonna do is we are going to trace our pattern onto some felt. So this is going to be the body. I wonder if the pencil will work. Yeah, we're just going to go outside. We're not going to go real close because I want to cut this. I want to cut the pencil line off. I don't want it on my. Don't want it on my body. So I'm going outside of the pattern. And then I'm going to trace the ear pattern. And again, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go way outside of the pattern. These don't have to be exact. That's the beauty of them. They don't have to be exactly. And they'll still be just as cute. And then the ear, the inside of the ears, I need 2 of those. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go around 1, and then I'm going to double that over and trace it out. So then you want to cut your body out. And it's just an oval. I mean, it's about a 3.5 inch, almost 4 inch oval. And it's a little fatter on his behind side. So we got that, and then I am going to take his little ear, the inside of his ear, and I'm folding it over so that I can get 2 at once. So I'm folding that over, and then I'm just going to cut that little inside of his ear out. I'm going to round these up a little bit. They look a little jiggity jaggedy. Alright, so now I've got the inside of his ears and his body cut out. And then we're going to cut out his ears. It's just such a quick little craft. I'm going to, just to make it easier, I'm going to cut it out so I don't have to handle that big giant. And you could even fold this one in half if you want them to match. And cut around. So the first thing I'm going to do is glue the inside of my ears onto my ear. No, let's do that. Yeah, let's do that now. I'm just going to put that inside of those ears. With my hot glue. And I still have some of the, I want to trim some of that pencil mark off. I don't like it. I can see it. So I'm just going to trim some of that off. Now you're going to have to cut, the body for the ears. And I'm going to use my X-Acto knife. I'm just going to and then you'll want to cut up here near the top, going horizontally for the candy cane. So I'll make sure I got that all the way through. Make Make sure I got these all the way through. I got these a little off center, but it'll be okay. Alright, so I got that going. Now I'm gonna put the ears through. Hopefully you'll want to take this and you'll want to put the ears through, and it may be a little bit hard because these ears are so fat. So you want to put it through the first one, and then from the back you'll want to put it up through the second one. That one's not going to be long enough. I'm going to have to cut it a little bit. So into the front and then up from the back. So we are going to push that up from the back and pull that through. Now he's got ears. Is that not the cutest little mouse? Oh, he's so cute already, and we don't even have his eyeballs on. So now you'll want to put on his little nose, and I've got a white pom-pom, but you can use whatever you have. You can use beads, whatever you have, but I'm just putting a little white pom-pom on for his nose, and then we're going to put his two little eyes on, and I'm going to not burn myself, hopefully. So we got a little wiggle eye, and we're going to put another one on. I mean, this is just the quickest craft. Alright, now for the tail. You want to come in from behind the mouse. So behind, poke it through, and then you want to go back in there, and then down where his little ears make a little pocket, you'll want to put it behind the pocket in his ear. And there you go, you have the cutest little ornament. I've been making these for years. He's got his cute little tail. He is just adorable. Just adorable. And then you'll just hang him on the tree, and he will be looking so cute. Alright, thanks everybody for watching. That's your today's quick Christmas craft.